Bhrubeda. According to Abhinaya Darpana, a book written by Nandikeshwara, there are 6 graceful eyebrow movements known as Bhrubeda. They are Atha Grantastarasta Bhrubeda Nirupyante Sahaja Patito Utkshipta Chatura Rechita Tata Kunchiteti Shadevatra Bhruchaturyavati Kriyaha